You grab your computer, your laptop, your iPad Pro, your Surface Pro, whatever you use to do your daily work on. You type out a quick 200 to 500 word email. You send that out to your list, and within minutes, you start to see sales rolling in for your products and your services, right? And that is the beauty of having an email list, is it's kind of like being able to write yourself a check every single day or whenever you want, whenever you hit the send button, okay? So an email list, it's one of your most powerful assets, and I don't care how many people say it's dead or email is dying, it's not dying. It is like it's like your identity on the internet. Everybody has an email that they check pretty much on the daily. So I wanna show you in this video one of the most important aspects about having an email list, and that is being able to build and grow that list. So as you see on the screen here, this is ActiveCampaign. This is the email service provider that we use. We just started growing this list at the end of February of this year, February 2020. So near the end of the month, we started growing this list, and we have 3,420 subscribers after just a few months. It's July now, okay? So around 4.5 months or so, we were able to grow it to 3,420 subscribers. Now, this is a pretty small list, right? This is relatively, if you'll ask anyone like in internet marketing or digital marketing, they'll say this is a small list, and it is. But it doesn't need to be huge for you to rake in big time profits if you have like an engaged list and you have good products and services. So I'm gonna show you here, this is our Stripe account. In the month of June, we generated $22,509.60. And we just launched this business at the end of February as well when we launched this email list. And this isn't including PayPal. So we have another $7,000 or so in PayPal from the month of June. So this is closer, the amount that we've generated in June was closer to $30,000, just under $30,000 from a 3,420 person list, okay? So that's around almost $10 per subscriber on our list, right? This is an insanely powerful tool that you have, or asset that you have. Now, what I'm gonna show you that's different in this video is the way that I personally am growing my list, and works especially well if you are a content creator or info publisher, or you create any kind of content and you're putting a price tag on it, you're selling info products or courses or ebooks or whatever it is. This is gonna work especially well for you, okay? So what I have here is a strategy for if you don't have any email list yet, we're gonna help you change that and show you how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on your email list. If you already have 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna tell you how to go from 1,000 to 10,000 if you want, right? Using the strategy that I'm using right now, day in and day out to grow my list. Okay, and it's very simple. It starts with a traffic source. I personally love YouTube because once you create a video, it can be viewed for years and you don't really have to touch it. It just gets put into the algorithm, the search engines on YouTube, and people can view it every single day for years and years and years to come. Okay, so you create it once, and it's kind of like this asset that continues to live over time and generates you more views and traffic and leads over time. So my traffic source, my favorite one is YouTube. You can use whatever you want. We're gonna drive them to a niche specific Facebook group. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and I'm gonna show you why that's so powerful. And then from the Facebook group, we're gonna drive them to our email list, okay? Now, the reason I do it this way is it's helping me grow 3 different assets all at once, right? It's kind of like killing 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm growing my YouTube channel, I'm growing my Facebook group, and then I'm growing my email list all at the same time, right? That's why I love this strategy here that I'm using. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. This is a YouTube video, July 8th. I'm actually filming this on July 8th. I just posted this video today. And as you can see in the description, there's a link to join my free Facebook group on starting a 6-figure online service business, okay? Now this is a completely different conversation, how to start a Facebook group, but if you wanna start a Facebook group, a quick tip is make sure that you have a very specific outcome or a reason to join the group, right? So if someone wants to start a 6-figure online service business, they're gonna join this group, right? And that's what this group is for. I also have here in the comments, I have a pinned comment on every video that says, like this video, I do live trainings like this in my free Facebook group, join here. And they just click on this. And what happens is, they're going to see a page that says join this group, where they're gonna click join, and it's gonna show them here different questions that they need to fill out to join the group, okay? So these are the 3 questions that I ask upon joining. The first one is a segmentation or qualification question. So it asks, what's up, what type of business do you run, and who do you serve? And this helps me get a feel of the person, their background. If they have any business experience, they'll say here, oh, I already run a successful agency, or I run a successful consultancy, whatever they run, and they'll talk about the niche that they work with, okay? So this is kind of a segmentation, qualification question to help me know who exactly is joining the group. The second thing is my lead magnet. So it says enter your email only if you want our 5-step winning formula that took us from 0 to 7 clients in 30 days. It's a cheat sheet. So they put in their email address, and I'm gonna show you why this is awesome in just a second. And the last question is, how did you find this? So it could be, I have different sources of traffic, LinkedIn, I have Facebook search, I have my YouTube channel, I have my email list from previous subscribers, right? So I wanna know where they're coming from. Most people, 80% of people will come from my YouTube videos. So that's why I'm focusing extra hard on creating these YouTube videos. So we have the qualification question here. We have the question that gives them the lead magnet if they're interested and grabs their email address. And then it asks them where they came from. How did they find it? So I know the referral source, okay? So why is this so awesome? Well, first off, I'm making one video per week, 1 or 2 videos per week that grows my YouTube channel, right? I have 9.54 subscribers right now. And it drives them to it grows my channel, of course, but it drives them to my Facebook group, right? They join my Facebook group. I think we have, how many people do we have? 2,811 members right now. And it also grabs their email address, right? You just saw it asked them for their email address in exchange for a lead magnet. So I grab their email address, and from there, they get put into this sequence here. This is an automated campaign where they opt in. You can see here, SFDS, Facebook group lead magnet opt-in. They get tagged for this lead magnet opt-in, and they get put into an email nurturing sequence, a welcome sequence, right? So first they get their cheat sheet, and then they get a series of different emails that's designed to sell my products. I have a front-end offer that's an ebook called 6-Figure Drop Servicing, and I sell that ebook through these emails, right? So I have 7 different emails that go out that pitches them or offers them my ebook. I think it's 8 different emails that goes out, okay? Or actually 9 here. So see, as you can see, quite a few emails that go out and nurtures them and introduces them to myself, my brand, and who I am and what I do. And of course, it's trying to get the sale for my ebook, getting them to go from being a prospect to a customer, okay? So what is going on here? Why is this so powerful? Especially if you're an info publisher, you're selling any kind of ebooks or courses, or you're selling services as well. This could work very well for services. I'm actually rolling this out for my agency email marketing services. So what's happening again? We have the YouTube channel, source of traffic, right? I just post a video every week, and it has links to join my Facebook group in the description and the comments. They join my Facebook group, they give me their email address, they tell me who they are, I get to see exactly who's joining my group and able to segment them based on their experience level. From there, they get put into my email list here. They get put into a sequence that's automatically designed to turn them from a prospect into a paying customer on my front-end offer. And from there, my email list grows. I have around 20 people that join my email list every single day from this automated campaign, okay? So it grows every single day, around 20 people join my email list from this little sequence here, right? YouTube video to niche Facebook group to email list. It grows by around 17 to 20 people every single day. Now, the other powerful thing, the reason I'm able to generate so many sales is, as you can see here, every day I am posting, let's see if we can jump in here. I'm posting an email, right? So 7/8, which is today, I posted one. I missed yesterday because I was on the road. But basically every single day I'm posting an email, right? I'm writing up a very short email. These are not very long emails. I'll show you this one real quick, okay? This is less, I think this one was around 150 words or so, okay? So you can see very short, not long emails. They don't need to be very long. I like to keep it within 200 to 500 words. And I send this out, try to send it out every single day, right? And this is what generates you sales. So as you saw earlier, 3,400, I just got a subscriber just now. 3,421 subscribers on my email list was generating $30,000 per month, around $9 to $10 per email subscriber, okay? So if you can actually implement this, right, have a traffic source. Again, I like YouTube. I recommend YouTube if you're comfortable with growing your channel, and it helps in so many different ways other than just growing your email list, right? It builds your brand, your authority. It, of course, helps you to get sales if you're offering good products and services. But you're also able to use it to siphon traffic into your Facebook group and your email list as well, and grow all these 3 platforms and these 3 assets all at once, okay? So if you're looking to get your first 0 to 1,000 email list subscribers, try this strategy out, okay? Have a traffic source. Again, I recommend YouTube, but if you want to use LinkedIn to a lead magnet or just go straight to your Facebook group, that's fine as well. But this is the strategy that I'm using here to grow all 3 of these platforms all at once. YouTube to niche-specific Facebook group to an email list, and from there I'm emailing daily different offers and different products and services that I have, okay? So, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, give me a like. If you have any questions, comment below. This is only about growing your email list. I will have more videos in the future about writing the actual emails and setting up automations and setting up sequences. But yes, this is a very powerful strategy if you actually implement it. It's not a get-rich-quick overnight thing. I never post get-rich-quick overnight stuff. But it's very, very powerful, as you saw that I showed you in this video. So, grow all these. Try this out. You'll grow 3 different assets all at once if you copy it exactly how I'm doing it here. In future videos, I'll show you more around actually writing the emails and setting up automations and setting up sequences. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.